Where your girlfriend at, Waterbug? Well, you ain't got a girlfriend yet?
Come on, let's go. Snap it up.
You wanna know why you ain't got a girl yet, Waterbug?
Why?
You got the wrong shoes on, man. You got on white Adidas. Everybody know the shoe is nice. Nothing holds a nickel next to Nike. Ask Ivory. Ask Preacher Man.
What kind of shoes in your feet don't matter?
Come on, Preacher. Bullshit.
Don't matter at all.
You know God made black beautiful. God made Booby beautiful. Black and strong.
His mouth keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
And when Booby knocks some fools out, Booby gonna knock him out with black Nikes on his feet. Ain't that right?
I could knock you on a pair of flip-flops.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna knock him out with Nikes on my feet. And I'm gonna smile when I do it.
Let's go. 5 minutes. Let's go.